Hi, I'm Utsa Pradhan Shrestha. Firstly, thank you for having me today. I am currently studying at ISMT College Pokhara, affiliated to University of Sunderland. In this blog, I am going to explain how digital technology enables agile working within the workplace. The modern workplace has undergone a major transformation. Digital technologies have not only changed how we work, but also where, when, and why we work. Agile working, defined as a flexible and adaptive way of working focused on outcomes rather than time or location, has become increasingly important. This video explores how digital technology enables agile working, its impact on employee behavior, task execution, and management, while critically examining both opportunities and challenges. Understanding Agile Working in Digital Context. CIPD 2024 says that Agile working allows employees to work flexibly across time and location, supported by digital tools and organizational practices. Technologies such as cloud computing, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Asana, and Trello enable seamless collaboration from anywhere. However, this flexibility comes with challenges. Research by Mazmanian, Orlikowski, and Yates in 2013 shows that constant connectivity can blur the boundaries between work and personal life, leading to pressure to remain always available. Agile working is not just remote work, it is about designing systems that balance organizational needs with employee well-being. Its implementation varies across sectors, easier in IT, finance, and educational sectors, more limited in retail and hospitality sectors, where physical presence is required. Impact of digital technology on employee behavior. First one is digital presentation. A key issue in agile workplaces is digital presentism. Traditionally, presentism meant being physically at work while being unwell. Today, it means feeling pressure to stay constantly online and responsive even outside working hours. This always on culture can lead to stress, burnout, and difficulty switching off. Managers must establish boundaries to protect employee well-being. Second one is autonomy and empowerment. Digital tools also increase autonomy. A research by Charalampos, Grant, Tromantano, and Michalidis in 2019 found that remote workers with high autonomy report greater job satisfaction, engagement, and work-life balance. However, autonomy requires clear goals, strong communication, and managerial guidance. Without this, employees may struggle with focus and time management. Digital support for task completion. Digital provides various collaboration tools. Platforms like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Zoom have transformed communication. They enable real-time collaboration, virtual teamwork across different time zones, and faster decision making. Digital tools reduces delays and improves workflow efficiency. Automation and efficiency. Automation and AI are transforming repetitive tasks. Activities like scheduling, data processing, and workflow management are now automated, allowing employees to focus on higher value works. This reflects job enrichment theory given by Hackman and Oldham 1976. However, sector differences remain. Retail uses self-checkouts, hospitality uses online booking systems. However, employees must adapt by developing their digital skills. Role of line managers on being inclusive for all employees in a digitally agile workplace. Firstly, shifting from control to trust. Agile working requires a shift in leadership style. CIPD 2020 advises that managers in remote settings should focus on results rather than activity monitoring and prioritize psychological safety over surveillance. This aligns with transformational leadership, which emphasizes motivation, empowerment, and trust. Secondly, inclusion through digital tools. Digital tools can improve inclusivity. For example, closed captions for hearing impaired employees during online meetings, flexible work for caregivers. However, inclusion is not automatic. Managers must ensure equal access to technology and fair opportunities, and setting some boundaries. Managers must encourage employees to switch off after the working hours. This reduces digital presenteeism and protects mental health of the employees. Agile working varies across different sectors, such as knowledge-based sectors like IT and finance, where the work is fully digital and highly flexible, and customer-facing sectors like retail and hospitality, where physical presence is required and limited flexibility. This creates hybrid environments and potential fairness concerns. Barriers of digitally enabled agile working. Technological inequality. Not all employees have equal access to devices, software, or reliable broadband. This creates hidden performance and participation gaps not due to ability but to resources. Employees may lack access to devices or reliable internet. Managerial resistance. Some managers struggle with remote leadership. Without visual oversight, they may default to over monitoring and frequent check ins, which employees can experience as micromanagement, eroding trust and motivation. Work intensification. Digital tools may make work feel more intense rather than easier. Faster communication creates pressure to respond quickly, making it harder to switch off. Digital tools can increase workload and pressures to respond quickly. Research by Eurofound 2020. Benefits of digitally enabled agile working. Organizational benefit includes increased productivity, reduced cost, and better talent retention. Employee benefit includes flexibility and autonomy, improved work-life balance, saves time and money by reducing daily commuting. Social benefit includes lower carbon emission, more inclusive workforce. CIPD 2023 notes that flexible and agile working are now critical components of employee well-being, engagement and retention strategies, and a key factor in organizational competitiveness. Digital technology has transformed agile working, offering flexibility, efficiency, and inclusivity. However, challenges such as digital presenteeism, inequality, and work pressure must be managed carefully. For line managers, the key is to balance supporting flexibility while maintaining structure. Ultimately, agile working is not just about technology, it is about a cultural shift that requires balance, trust, and continuous adaptation. Thank you.